Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to long press back button for preview. So if you use a 3-button navigation system, all you're gonna do is long press the back button. This is this triangle icon. And when you long press, the current screen should pop up slightly, revealing the preview of the previous screen. And if you want to complete the action, you just have to release your finger, like this. But if you change your mind, all you're gonna do is slide your finger off the button before releasing your finger. So that's basically how it works, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.